Everyone is speaking today of side hustles and money online. But to be honest, most people don't want to get engaged in long hours just to earn some extra cents. In case you are exactly me, then you might wish for something effortless, something easy that doesn't use too much time but offers money, big money. If that's what you exactly look for, then please read further. After that, I did almost everything related to making money from home during the past 10 years, including such activities as drop shipping and affiliate marketing, which I tried just about everybody. I considered moving to the 9-to-5 till I have found what, in my opinion, really is an easiest and less effort way to generate income sitting at home. This really is a side hustle for easy management and automation combined using AI. By way of speaking, I was at a mere $1 a day and then $50 in the game, and it continues to build up to that point in 100 or more now, where we are 5,000 to 10,000 in one day on average. Of course, I would not promise anybody that such results will await them, but these AI-related side hustles are seriously worth investing in. The beauty of this side hustle lies in fully automated niche YouTube channels, and one should make use of AI to aid content creation and scripting to video editing. Running a YouTube channel has never been easier thanks to the technological advancements I just described to you. Let me mention 3 different ways, but today we are jumping straight into the easiest method that is precisely what you came here for. Today's third method doesn't make you sit for hours scripting, editing, or even recording your voice. It doesn't need you to spend money as you might think. No doubt, this is the smartest and laziest way to make profit from YouTube in 2024 or incoming 2025. So how does it work? It all boils down to leveraging AI tools for auto-completion at every step. Here's how to get started. Number 1, choose your niche. Then you have to decide which type of content you want to focus on. Honestly, if I don't know where to start, I use tools such as TubeMagic, which is the same tool I use to find out where the best niches are to work. TubeMagic enables viewing what niches will have a very high RPM or revenue per 1,000 views, which can help you make more money in fewer views. Choosing the right niche is critical for success. The ideal niche should not only be profitable but also align with your interests or expertise. This will help maintain your enthusiasm as your channel grows. TubeMagic organizes niches by RPM, popularity, and competition, from where you then pick a niche for your channel. For example, niches such as high RPM personal finance, technology trend, and health advice would bring in more revenue per view than entertainment or general vlogs. Therefore, niche areas with higher RPM ensure that you make more money with fewer subscribers and views. Number 2, generate content ideas. Once you have picked your niche, the next thing would be to come up with content ideas. TubeMagic makes this super easy. All you do is input links from successful YouTube channels, and it will generate infinite content ideas based on what already works. This way, you're sure you are creating content that people really want to watch. The content is the heart of a successful YouTube channel. You keep them engaged through content to answer their question or amuse them in some ways. TubeMagic has Content Explorer. It shows the trending topic and even video ideas that gain success in it. To analyze and study the competitors for crafting these ideas, content ideas could have already proven them to catch people's eyes, offering a significant headway. Create your content series based upon the various specific themes in your niche, keeping things constantly new. This brings in your audience repeatedly and makes your brand recognizable. For instance, if your niche were technology trends, you do a Future of 8 series where every week you spoke on a different facet of AI technology. Number 3, use AI to create scripts. Now, once the concept is there, it's time to write a script. And the magic of it all, you do not have to be a writer or spend hours researching. AI tools can create a full script for you within minutes. You just need to input your video idea, choose the length of the script you need, and the AI does the rest. The script writing tools, namely ChatGPT and Jasper AI, change the game for sure. Now, with a topic and some bullet points, the AI can draft your script for you to use as is or to your taste by tweaking at your discretion. You end up saving a lot of time in creating high-quality scripts that engage. Another adaptation one can do in a script using AI is its tone. Would you want your video funny, serious, or inspirational? AI can do that through its change in writing style. The more audiences one targets with a video, the authenticity of content comes from the assistance of AI. Number 4, effortless video production. AI is not script writing. You actually can have just stock footage and do with AI voiceovers entirely in one video without any camera, without a recording needed at all. In the services here at Storyblocks, you would need a pretty huge library when making visually catchy videos involving great stock footage. However, this AI voice generator, 11 Labs, in reality makes lifelike sounding voiceovers where you never need to even know how your voice goes. Stock footage is one of the outstanding ways to make your video look like a production minus having to shoot scenes yourselves. For example, in Storyblocks, you obtain royalty-free videos on literally any topic, which lets you easily find clips pertaining to your theme. Another is a game changer with AI voiceover. Apps like Murph AI, 11 Labs make really realistic voiceovers, generating them in a couple clicks. That gives one option, such as picking different kinds of accents or even male-female voices, as well as pretty specific types of tone fit for their video's stylistic look, and will let you avoid making them yourself or someone hired for your video. Number 5. Put it all together. Finally, you must compile all the elements into a final video. Stock Footage Maker Storyblocks allows easy assemblage of all the stock footage, voiceovers, and background music at one place. Thus, creating high-quality videos can be done with very little clicks. In reality, the video comes alive in the editing process. Most people shun this as they feel that it's too complicated. However, AI-powered tools make this very user-friendly. Take, for instance, Storyblocks Maker tool, which has a drag-and-drop interface. You can simply put your clips together and adjust their timing, along with applying effects. Moreover, royalty-free music can be integrated in order to give the proper tone to the video. Otherwise, you can use some free other editing tools like CapCut or iMovie that aren't very complicated to use and will offer all the basic features in putting together a well-crafted video. All of these with AI transform the whole process of video production into an easy step-by-step workflow anyone can master. So why this method works? What I find so cool about this AI side hustle is that it requires minimal effort with a huge payoff. No more hours writing, hours editing, or hours in front of the camera. When done, AI takes care of most of that for you. It does take an hour or so up front getting everything set up, then on autopilot and making that passive income for you so you can focus on other activities. The automated YouTube channels using AI work well because of the power it gives a channel to be both consistent and scalable, bringing targeted content. You don't overwhelm yourself by posting a lot through AI tools to help get your channel running and establishing an audience for your video. The higher the quantity of videos, the more opportunity you have that one may resonate with audiences and end up going viral. But you also scale with AI-driven channels, which means knowing how to do the process once, you can replicate it across channels and niches, and then you will have multiple income streams from 3 or 4 channels. And finally, AI will help you create niche-optimized content for YouTube, optimized for YouTube's search algorithms. TubeMagic is a tool that reveals what works and what people are searching for, which you can use to make good decisions about the type of content you can produce. Using AI to strategically target niches with a high RPM maximizes your earning potential. Here are some additional tips for success. Number 1. Optimize your videos. Once your video is ready, it's important to optimize it for YouTube's algorithm. This means using keywords effectively in your title, description, and tags. AI tools like TubeMagic can help generate high-quality titles and descriptions, which are crucial for ranking well and gaining visibility. Number 2. Create attention-grabbing thumbnails. Usually, a thumbnail can be the first impression given to viewers, and in many cases, whether one clicks on your video also depends on it. This is where tools such as Canva or AI-powered tools like Midjourney can help you craft impressive thumbnails. A great thumbnail should be visually attractive and feature strong text, giving people some reason to click on. Number 3. Monitor performance and adjust. Another great thing about YouTube is the amount of data you receive about how your video performed. Watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention are monitored. Those will give you an idea of what works and what doesn't, and help you fine-tune the approach for even better results. AI can help analyze data and suggest optimizations for future videos. Number 4. Batch content creation. This is somewhat similar to the continuous posting of videos, so batch content creates a place where you get to make more scripts at one go and can record voiceovers and later edit several videos in the same go. Number 5. Diversify your monetization streams. While YouTube ad revenue can be lucrative, it's not the only way to make money. Look into affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and even selling your own digital products related to your channel's niche. This can further boost your income and create more financial security. It might be the best online money-making opportunity that is stress-free. An AI-powered YouTube channel may do that for you. There is minimal effort needed because with AI, one can just rely on it for the creation of content, the production of videos, and channel management, and then there's the rest, all rewards you get to enjoy. This is the beauty of that side hustle. Once set up, it runs on autopilot and brings you passive income with little work. The key here is to start today. Set up your niche, use the AI tools for content creation and optimization, and start building your channel. With a little consistency, this side hustle can become a goldmine. So why wait? Let technology do the heavy lifting and take the first step towards financial freedom today. In case you found this video informative, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.